So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually get 4K images from Nanobanana Pro. And currently, if you ask Google Gemini to create you an image with Nanobanana Pro, if you want the highest resolution of image, what you shouldn't do is just right click and save this image. This is the wrong thing and it's going to give you the wrong image. So if I save this image, you'll actually see that the resolution here is 1024 by 687. This is completely wrong. You don't actually want to use that. What you instead want to do, and this is just one way of getting a 4K image, you just click download full size. And then when you click that button, then you save the image. So this is the image when I right clicked and I saved it. You can see the quality here, not very good. And then this is the image when I actually clicked the download button and you can see the full image in full 4K quality. Now, this is actually only 2K quality. So if you actually want 4K quality, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that right now, because this is still high quality, but it's 2K quality. If you want full 4K quality, this is what you need to do. Head on over to Google AI Studio. Then what you do is you make sure that you go all the way down here. Once you've got your API key, you've linked this and you're into a chat session. So just link your API key, just click select key. I've got a different tutorial for that. Click 4K resolution, then the image will actually be 4K. This will take a little bit more time, but this is something that I wish someone told me, because when I'm creating infographics and stuff like that, this was, something that I didn't honestly see. Now do remember, you will get charged for this. This isn't free. When you link your API key, you do have to link a card for billing. So just bear that in mind. Don't run up a crazy check, but this is how you actually get that quality. So this is a full 4K image, and this is incredible quality, real actual 4K quality. This is where you can zoom in completely. And of course, with this one, you just want to click download. Now you can actually see here, the quality is actually 4K. 5000 by 3000 resolution, full 4K quality. And you can see full screen, the quality here is just immaculate. I don't know if I'm going to render this video in 4K, but the resolution difference here makes all the difference. So I just wanted to make this quick tutorial. Of course, now if you run into some issues, I might not be able to respond to your comment. So if you want a faster answer, you can just join the 10-minute AI. This is basically where I'm always active, helping everyone solve their AI issues. And we basically have prompts and guidelines for every single AI tool out there, so we know the ins and outs of every single AI tool. If that's something you're interested in, links in the description.